I think everyone has joined now. We will start the session. So, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Am I visible to everyone? Ruchira, am I visible?
Yeah, Deepika, we can see and
Okay.
hear you.
Okay, thank you. Wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day. We hope you all have had managed your meals with sufficient gaps in respect to today's yoga session. So, on behalf of Lindstrom, I would like to welcome Dipti Deshpande and Saurabh Ghosh, who are our yoga teachers for today's session. A short introduction about them. So, Dipti is certified as QCI Level 2 instructor from Sri Sri School of Yoga. She is faculty and yoga trainer at Art of Living. Saurabh is a co-founder at Sports Reconnect, which is voted as top 10 sports startups in India. He is a faculty and state youth coordinator too at Art of Living. We hope this session will help you bring in yoga in your daily fitness regime. Also would request everyone to keep your mic on mute and switch on your videos for this yoga session. And hope also your family has joined this session and we would receive most of the pictures, the photos on WhatsApp groups and emails. So maybe I will hand, and this live session is also being recorded, which will be shared with you as so you can share it with your frontline personnel, and at your unit level you can also conduct this yoga practice. So I give this floor to Dipti and Saurabh to start with our yoga session today. Saurabh.
Thank you, Deepika. Thank you so much for the wonderful introduction. I welcome you all. A very happy International Yoga Day. I remember starting my journey in yoga way back in like around 13 years ago. Uh, I thought earlier that yoga was to be done after I turned 50, but then I realized that it can be done when you are youngsters, and then it brings such a big impact to your life when done it properly. So today's session is all about bringing some yoga into our daily lives, some hacks to increase productivity, some special exercises to overcome normal, common routine problems that we face. In addition to that, we will also learn a technique to enhance immunity. I would like to just share that all of you, a lot of you are working in the front line. So hats off to you for your commitment and your, real focus in this group of the organization. On behalf, as a guest, I really salute your dedication for the same. So without wasting any further time, if there is any issue that you have, I am also present. You can just type in the chat. We will answer any queries if you face any. Otherwise, let the session flow be there. It will be there for around about 40-45 minutes, and then we will keep the last 5-7 minutes for a Q&A. Hope it is all right. It would be great if we can mute ourselves so that there is no disturbance in between. If you have not done, I will just give you 20 seconds to do it. And also, please switch on your videos so that I can see you and we can correct you if there is any need for the same. So I'll give you 30 seconds to start your videos.
Yeah, Saurabh, hi Ruchira this side. I think one or two of our employees are also mentioning that video is still little blur.
Correct, correct.
Is there anything we could just check?
Ruchira, Deepika, it was a couple of seconds back. Now it is much, much better.
Okay, ma'am.
What I realize is that when other screens are coming on, it gets a little hazy, and once the screen becomes stabilized, then the blurriness automatically disappears. So it just takes a little while. It doesn't matter. You will follow the instructions. We are not going to too difficult. Is my voice clear?
Yes, Saurabh.
Okay. So without wasting any further time, I would like to invite Dipti to take us through the first half of this fantastic session. I hope you are all ready. Go for it.
Okay, guys. So we're going to first start a little bit by making our face glow. So we're going to do a little bit of a face yoga. We normally don't tend to pay attention to so much of our face, but we're going to do something that will improve our circulation to our face and hence make it glow. So we're going to start right away. Take your right hand on the head and we're going to move our scalp. You just follow the instructions. I was just also observing the screen. When any new screen gets turned on, so it gets blurred and then it kind of gets normal again is what I observed. So just follow the instructions as we try to be as crisp and perfect as possible. See that we're moving the scalp and not the hair, okay guys? This improves circulation to the brain and relax. Now side varietals. Come on. I know this is like saying, hey Bhagwan. Yeah, you know guys, yoga is not something very, very serious. I don't know why people connect it to something serious. So it's smile, have fun, enjoy. Yes, just be yourself. Be very relaxed. Now, take the fingertips, add a little pressure and let go. Remove जो भी tension है, your house, the family, or anything else that bothers you, the virus, just let go for some time. सारा tension यहाँ उठा के फेंक दो. If it's your kids or your spouse, whoever is bothering you, just let go. Okay, now eyebrows. ये हमारे sinuses के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Index finger and the thumb. And we go from the inside to the outside. अंदर से बाहर की तरफ अच्छे से मसाज करेंगे. And relax. Now, next is thumb and the top of the eyes. ये ऊपर का flap आराम से करें, ज़्यादा जोर से नहीं. And we massage slightly. Observe this movement. Top of the eyelids. Wow. Now upper eyelids, index finger. Gently, not too hard. Observe where the finger touches the skin. And relax. Now the nose, side of the nose. All these are murmur points that activates some muscles and nerves, and relax. Now we're going to use a chin. So guys, this being the first session and you know, we are on our chairs. Some of you might not be in that comfortable position or something. So we're going to keep it very gentle and light and more happening. Maybe or sometime later we might have a more intense session, but for now today just nice and happy one. Okay, next we're going to pull our ears up. हम हमारे कानों को ऊपर खींचेंगे. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Now pull it down. This activates our lymphatic system. What is this lymphatic system? Pull it up. हमारे बॉडी के सारे टॉक्सिन्स को ये ऐसे करने से बाहर फेंकने की activity. Now ride a bicycle with the ear. कानों से bicycle चलाए. Bicycle with the ear.
Can you stop the other screens from coming in?
Can you hear me? The others in the screen.
Can everyone please mute the mics?
Yes, thank you. So we got it. Okay. तो हम हमारे कानों का साइकिल चला रहे थे. The one with the HP written has the mic on. Deepika, that will help me. Now reverse the ear. No, I cannot. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so पता है पुराने जमाने में भी कान खींचते थे so that we increase our awareness and we don't make mistakes. Now we move on to our cheeks. Okay, so 3 fingers out, open the mouth slightly, and this joint, you know, this jaw joint, massage. Put a little pressure. Open the mouth slightly. and massage. You know, yoga देखने से नहीं होता पर करने से होता है. So I hope everybody is doing it. You know, we smile, a baby smiles 400 times in a day. And an adolescent smiles like 17 times. Adults, barely 2-3 times. And if anybody smiles, you feel like isko kya kaam hai? Yes, so make your smile cheaper and anger costlier. We tend to do it other way around. Okay, so next we move on to the neck joint. This is very, very important for you guys. We understand home now. The ergonomics is not that comfortable. You know, we tend to sit on a bed or a sofa chair. The table is not at this length. तो हमारे neck, shoulder और back बहुत affect होते हैं. तो हम ये joint relaxation करेंगे. If you cannot give a dedicated time to it, please do it by taking some gaps between your work so that you can go back to your work 100%. Okay, so listen to the instructions, follow the breath and observe where you're feeling the stretch. 2 basic rules. Breathing in, take your head behind. Breathing out, chin goes to the chest. Kodi ko chhati se lagaye. Now take the right from the right side. Breathing in, take the chin to the right shoulder. Go behind. पूरा सिर को पीछे ले जाए और लेफ्ट से सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते नीचे आ जाए. We are not doing any. So observe your breath and continue. Breathing out, down. Now you need to reverse from the left. Breathing in, take the head behind. And the right, breathing out. One last round, guys. And breathing out. Let it come down. And then you can look straight. Okay, another one for the neck. So plain neck, now a neck and a shoulder joint. यहाँ पे normally बहुत ज़्यादा accumulate होता है, तो इसके लिए एक छोटी सी trick है. हमें क्या करना है? तो like we dab, you know, we dab like this. So just take your right hand at this line, like a cross 45 degree. Now you're gonna like smell your underarm. So go like this. Now take the hand on the head and press it slightly down like a cross. So you feel a nice stretch on this side. Breathe and slowly relax. Give me a thumbs up if you could feel that stretch in that area. Yes, good. And now left side dab. Now you face towards the underarms and drop the hands over the ear and push it gently down. आराम से करना है, झटका नहीं देना है. धीरे धीरे से बढ़ाए and slowly relax. Okay, now this made you feel little good, I hope. Now let's go to a challenge. Yes, let me see how many of you want to go to this challenge. So this is a 3-level challenge. Nobody will give up, okay? Now take your hands at the shoulder level. This is very good for the shoulder joint again. Okay, we are all ready for it. All the families also I can see. Fantastic. Now make your palms perpendicular to your hands. Now you're going to push the base of the palm outside and pull the fingers inside. Oh, can you feel the stretch? You can nod your head. Yeah, I can see Deepika nodding. Yes, you're working long time on the laptops. That really affects the nerves there. Okay, now this is level 1. Let us go to level 2. Open the fingers wide. And now, I know now smiles are becoming bigger. Now push the palm more ahead and fingers inside. This is level 2. Ouch. Udi baba. Koi baat nahi, hum to bhi chhodenge nahi. Now let's go to level 3 quickly. Let the pain be there, let this position be there, and we try to say bye-bye to the pain. ऐसे ही hold रखना है और फिर धीरे से rotate करना है. The admin sir has got his audio on. But mistake. Hi. And The pain is not going like the corona, man. And come back to the center and slowly relax. Whoa. I hope you feel something out here. So just to relax it, breathing in, take the shoulders up and breathing out, relax. Now we're gonna breathe out from the mouth saying ha. Okay? So breathing in, raise it up. And breathing out. Now breathing in up and you're going to hold the breath and tense the muscles. And now breathing out. And one last time. 100% breathing in, go up. And breathing out, relax. Fantastic, guys. The last one now for the fingers. You know the wrist part, we use a lot of this part. Now come to the base of the little finger. Close the fist. Stretch your hand forward. And very slowly, okay guys? Slowly with the help of the breath. Sync with the breath. Breathing in, half round. Breathing out, half round. Go slow, guys. This is not exercise. When you observe your breath, when you take your attention to that stress, to that pain, it starts healing faster. It starts strengthening also faster. Now reverse. Slowly, 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 slowly. Admin sir, slowly. And come back to the center and relax. Oh, we'll do one more thing. Sorry, for the fingers also we'll do this. So we make our fingers go in and out as if you're like scaring someone. Oh, I think this is a Singam dance style, yes? So you go in and out, fingers go in and out. Just make the muscles tight and do it. You will observe the joints also. Yeah, and relax. Wow, we are increase us. Do you feel a difference in the circulation in this upper part? Give me a thumbs up if you feel a little difference. Good. Now let us move a little to the lower part also. So can we all stand up, guys? अब हम धीरे से खड़े हो जाएंगे. At your own places, fantastic. Now slowly, little distance between the feet. Hip width से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. अपने कमर के ऊपर हाथ रखेंगे. Yes, guys. Thank you for participating. 100%. Thank you. Now take the hips forward. Now to the right, behind, left. And now we connect these dots. Okay? So breathing in from the right, you can close your eyes if you want. Behind and from the left, breathing out forward. Breathing in from the right. Give your 100% relax. If you're giving 100%, we'll feel stretch in the inner thighs. And now reverse. अगर inner thighs में stretch आ रहा है, तो आप बराबर कर लें. This relaxes the lower back. Okay? And come back. Now, for the knee, a little challenging one. So let me see. We have Mubarak ji's audio that has come up. Okay. Now slowly raise the right knee up towards the chest. अपने छाती की तरफ घुटने को उठाए, toes pointing down. Come on, guys. This improves your balance also and strengthens the thigh. और ऊपर. And you know how can you practice this in a daily life? Hold this up whenever you go for a bath. You know, you put your soap like this as if you're putting a soap. Come on, guys, balance. You're cleaning your leg. Come on. And relax. Now take your leg behind. Push the heels inside the hips. And this is a nice stretch for the thighs. If you feel a stretch at the thigh area, show me a thumbs up to the side. Good. ये हमारे knee और thighs को बहुत relax करता है. दूसरा पैर, lift the leg up. Fix your gaze at a point and observe your breath. Lift the leg up. Toes pointing down, spine is straight. And slowly relax. Oh, you forgot left leg. Come on, come on, come on. This will help us to balance longer. And relax and take it behind. Observe where you're feeling the stretch.
Banerjee sir, Thakur sir, Verena Muthukumar sir, very nice. You're all doing wonderful.
So we have another. Saurabh is watching all of you guys. If you're doing it right or not. Fantastic, guys. Love your efforts. Great. Now we move on to the spine stretches. Always remember, guys, there are 5 stretches of the spine: elongation, front and back, sideways, and a twist. It's a good idea to do at least one stretch in all the 5 areas. So let us go there. Breathing in, we're going to take our hands up and interlock this way, okay? So we take our hands up and interlock it. Take it up, take it up, take it up. And now go on the toes. अपने toes के ऊपर जाए और अपने हाथों को as if you're going to reach the ceiling. Go up, pull your navel inside. Go up more, more, more. And a little more. And now breathing out, let your hands come. This increases the circulation to the entire body, and the calf muscles, which is known as the second heart of the body, that also becomes activated and relaxed. We move on to the next stretch. We're going to go forward and backward. Guys, this is slightly challenging. Let us see all of you can do it or not.
A lot of kids have also joined. Fantastic, Raja
Wow.
sir. Very nice, Sachdeva ma'am. Let's go for it. Come on.
It's also very nice for the kids. So now keep your posture straight. Breathing in, take your hands up. Stretch your spine up. Now push the hips slightly forward, not too much. जिन्हें अगर कोई बैक की बहुत तकलीफ है, स्लिप डिस्क ऐसा कुछ है, तो ये वाला ना करें. Now pull the spine in the direction of the fingers. A little more, a little more. And now breathing in, come back up straight. And now breathing out, guys, observe this. Push the hip forward. I'm so sorry. Can you please mute it because then I need to shout more. Yeah, thank you so much. We push the hip behind. और हमारे hips को buttocks पीछे push करेंगे. Spine, observe my spine. It's straight. Arms are beside the ears. Push the hip behind. And if you're feeling a stretch at the thigh area, you can give a nod. Then I know you're doing it right. And now go down. Go down. See, the idea is not to reach the floor, okay? We are not going to do that today at least. Just go down there. Be there. How do you feel? Make your spine straight. Observe the stretch. Don't give up, guys. You're all warriors. And breathing in, come back up. And breathing out, relax. Fantastic. Now we're going to do a side and then a twist. So now how we're going to do this? Again, an interlock this way, okay? So breathing in, take your hands up, interlock, stretch little up. And now slowly drop your body towards your left side. हमारा राइट हिप हल्का सा बाहर पुश करें और फिर अपने सिर को और बॉडी को लेफ्ट में ड्रॉप करें. अच्छा, ये ऐसे आगे या पीछे नहीं जाना है, शरीर के लाइन में. Our head and arms are beside the ears. And pull the spine in the direction of the fingers. It's not important to do 10 rounds. You may do just 1 round, but do it nice. Now breathing in, come back up. And now breathing out on the other side.
Very nice, Venkatraj sir and family.
And no constipated faces, guys. I want a big smile. Very nice. Hold there. Observe the stretch on the sides. And breathing in, come back up. And breathing out, relax. Wow. Let us move on to the final stretch, which is a twist, okay? Everybody, give your 100%. Now breathing in, take your hands in the front. Taraf haathon ko le aaye. Now, as if you're holding a gift, you know, a box in your hand. Do not change the distance. Keep your spine straight. Breathe in and breathing out. You're gonna take your palms and the hands first, the chest, shoulder, without moving your feet. Press your right foot on the floor. पैर को नीचे गड़ाए और फिर अपने upper body को twist करें. Now look over the right shoulder behind. Don't move your legs, guys. Breathing in, come back to the center. And don't give up. And breathing out to the other side. Wow, I can see the entire family doing that. So cute. Rajamani ji, superb. The kids also doing it. Very nice. Twist, twist, twist. This time, left side, push the left foot down. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out, relax, breathing out, relax. Relax your hands, sorry. Now just shake your hands, shake your hands, shake your neck, shake your hips. Come on, you just close your eyes, relax, 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 relax. Smile. And you can slowly sit down. धीरे से बैठ जाए. Now we're going to move on to a very my favorite part of yoga is one. We're going to learn a pranayama that's going to increase, boost your immunity, and then we move on into a meditation. Okay, so I request you guys कि हम जब सीखेंगे पहले राउंड के बाद जब हम आंखें बंद करेंगे तो हम सीधा ध्यान के बाद खोलेंगे. ठीक है? Can I take that commitment from you? Then you'll have a good experience. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Fantastic, guys.
One thing. If we can just teach Parvatasana for all the kids to improve their heights, because there are a lot of kids also.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so there is a asana called as Parvatasana, जो हम बैठ के कर सकते हैं. That will increase. That will help to increase the height, which is excellent for the kids. So because we have a lot of kids here, so you can see suggested we add this also. So how do we do Parvatasana? We sit either in Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, or Sukhasana cross-legged. Breathing in, raise the hands up, and the first finger together. So this way. Take the arms beside our ears and keep elongating the spine up. ये बच्चों के लिए अच्छा है. So what is a parvat is the one which is shaped. We become strong and sturdy like the mountain. All the kids should be like that. I know all the parents want their kids to be strong. And breathing out, bring your hands down. Super. Now we'll move on directly to the pranayama. So everybody give your 100%, learn it nicely, hear it well. Now we take a loose fist in front of the shoulders. हल्की सी मुट्ठी बनाए कंधों के आगे और कोनियां शरीर के नजदीक ले. This way. This is the starting position. Then I will tell you, take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Then when I tell you for Bhastrika means bellows breath. You take your hands up and the palms open. And then I tell you to breathe out, the hands come down a little with a jerk and the elbows to the side of the body. Okay, so if anybody has a BP issue, can do some rounds and then relax. Okay, you listen to the body, very important. Take the position. I'll just demonstrate once. Hands go up, open, and now when you come down, you breathe out forcefully like this. What I'm doing is, अगर हमें सर्दी हो जाती है या नाक में कुछ जाता है, how do we do this? Same way we're gonna breathe. Okay, so I'll demonstrate once more. Is that clear, guys? Okay, first round we'll do with our eyes open, and then second round eyes are closed, that directly open only after meditation. Now take the position for the first round, eyes are closed, loose fist in front of the shoulders, elbows close to the body, and the shoulders are absolutely relaxed. Now take a deep breath in And slowly breathe out. For Bhastrika, breathe in, out, in, out. Even kids can do this. In, out. Very good for them. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, 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 breathe out, in, and relax. Our eyes are closed now that we already know how to do this pranayama. We're gonna sit with our eyes closed. Now the next second round we're gonna do with our eyes closed. Get ready. Take a loose fist in front of the shoulders, elbows closer to the body. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Together for Bhastrika, keeping your eyes closed, 100% breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, 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 and relax. आंखें बंद कर ले. Keep your eyes closed. Now keep your body relaxed. The spine is straight. The hands are on the thighs. Palms are facing the ceiling. Just for few minutes. कुछ मिनटों के लिए हम अपनी आंखें बंद ही रखेंगे. We'll just follow the instructions given to you. Whatever you can hear, follow it. And whatever you do not hear, just let go, relax. Do not put much efforts. अगर किसी को बैक का इशू है तो आप बैक सपोर्ट लेके भी बैठ सकते हैं. शरीर को विश्राम करें, कंधों को विश्राम करें और आंखें बंद ही रखें. हमने कमिटमेंट दिया है. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Now take your attention to all the sounds in the surroundings. वातावरण में जो भी आवाजें आ रही है, उसके प्रति ध्यान दें. Music, the fan, AC, or maybe a kid or someone talking far away. Accept all the sounds as they are. जैसे भी आवाजें हैं, उसका स्वीकार करें. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. take your attention to your body. शरीर के पास ध्यान ले जाए. You do not need to touch or move the parts of the body that are injured. Just take your gentle attention there. Take your attention to your right leg. Relax the entire right leg. Take your attention to your left leg. Relax the entire leg. Relax your navel area, stomach, chest. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Take your attention to your right hand, right shoulder, left hand, left shoulder, neck, back of the neck. Breathe in and breathing out, relax your shoulders and the neck. Take your attention to all your facial muscles. चेहरे के पास ध्यान दीजिए और उसे पूरा विश्राम करें. Take your attention to the top of the head. Breathe in and breathing out, relax the entire body. पूरे शरीर को विश्राम दें. Let go of all the efforts. सब प्रकार के प्रयत्नों को छोड़ और विश्राम करें. Now take your attention to your thoughts. अपने विचारों के प्रति ध्यान दीजिए. Good thoughts, bad thoughts, however they are, just accept. Now take your attention to your feelings. भावनाओं के प्रति ध्यान दीजिए. Feeling comfortable, uncomfortable, however it is, just accept it. Beyond all these layers, it's a gift. That is what you are. You are peace. You are joy. You are source of everything. आप ही शांति है. ही आनंद है, हर चीज के स्रोत आप ही। Now, once again, take your attention to your feelings. Now, take your attention to your thoughts. Now, take your attention to the body. शरीर के पास ध्यान ले जाए। वातावरण के पास ध्यान ले जाए। Take your attention once again to all the sounds in the surroundings. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. एक और लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और धीरे से बाहर छोड़िए। Whenever you feel complete, जब भी आपको पूर्णता लगे, becoming aware of the body and surroundings, शरीर और वातावरण के प्रति सजग हो जाए। Give a big smile to your own self. Yes. And slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे से आप आपकी आंखें खोल सकते हैं। How do you feel? Was it nice? Okay. So I would really love to hear from you. Can we quickly type on the chat box, how are you feeling right now? अभी आपको कैसा शरीर के स्तर पे, मन के स्तर पे, how do you feel in the body and the mind level? Just please share it on the chat. Triloki ji shares peace in mind. Very nice. When there is so much of unrest, there is pieces of mind. But when we all come together, do a little practice of yoga and meditation, there is peace of mind. Refresh and relax at peace. Relaxed, extreme relaxed. M. Thakurji says, Thakurji says, soothing, feeling very peace and relaxed. Hari Arjuna Das ji shares, relax by body and mind, relax and cool. Rajamani ji shares, relax and calm. Thank you, ji. Thanks for such a wonderful yoga idea. We will implement it day to day life. Yes, that's a very good idea. And we have a little more thing left. You know, this mind is a very complex thing to understand, but we have an expert with us who has been guiding youths and many adults, kids from the last 12 years. Let us all hear from Saurabh Ghosh himself. What is this mind, Saurabh? Please.
Thank you, Riddhi. Thank you for the wonderful session. I just want to share this, that, you know, this state of mind that you're feeling, after just few minutes of meditation, if we just include this in our day-to-day life, then automatically our efficiency, our inner happiness, our productivity, all of these things really, really increases. if you notice, generally, normally अगर हमारा दिन जो चलता है, our mind is either in the past or in the future. And if you notice your state of mind right now, there is hardly any thoughts, and your mind is here in this present moment. When the mind is more in the present moment, then whatever you take up, you are able to do it so much more. I remember doing this program called as the Art of Living Happiness program, and way back when I was in my 12th standard. And I was an average student. I was expecting 80, 85 in my PCM, 3-4 months left for my exam, when my dad pushed me into this course. And there's a technique called as Sudarshan Kriya. After practicing that, I realized my concentration drastically improved. To so much so that I managed to score 97 in my PCM, and 194 out of 200 in my CET. It was way beyond my expectations. Not just that, it helped me to calm the mind down. Often, if you notice, especially with so much uncertainty, there are so many things going on, the mind gets restless and we get stressed out because of it. So there are two choices. We can influence the environment, or the environment influences us. We can influence the environment when our mind is at peace, our mind is free from this stress. That's why today on this International Day of Yoga, it's a great idea to include that in your lifestyle. And if you get a chance, please do attend the Art of Living program. It's a wonderful program. I happened to do this long back, and since then I have been practicing this religiously throughout my life. And it has helped me. It has helped me to scale up my business. It has helped me so much to manage people. So many different things. There are around 450 million people who have done this program across the world, and it's beautiful. So we are having online breath and meditation workshops like this. If you get a time, you can just contact any one of us, and we would love to have you all on board on the program. In addition to that, I will just recap few things that you can practice at home, that you can do it on a day-to-day basis. So we started a little with the stretch. We did different exercises for our body. So generally you do either from the head to the toe, or you do from the toe to the head. You can vary the sequence, but what we learned, especially for our spine, like elongation, twisting, the side bend, all this, if you implement in your day-to-day life, for just 5 minutes, maybe after 2 hours of healthy yoga, you implement this, about a big difference in your life. So, also, if you would like to know more about the happiness program, the breath and meditation workshop, we'll just leave your contact details on the chat box, and you can contact us if you want, or you can just leave your name and we'll get in touch with you. That's also all right. If there is, now we'll take 5 minutes of questions. If there is any questions that you have, we can just take it up. So if you have any questions regarding anything, आपको कुछ भी पूछना है, आप पूछ सकते हैं. Any questions? You can just type it out. And then we will do one very nice pose. All of us together, yoga day, one together we'll do. So any questions? 2 questions we can take. And I would just request you to mute.
Guys, such an opportunity. Jayanta, can you please put your microphone on mute? Thanks. So excellent opportunity, guys, to ask you questions to our wonderful yoga trainers. So maybe Saurabh, you started with immunity thing, like how to boost our immunity. If you can put some light on that particular point for all of our employees.
Sure. So if you notice,
So the immunity that we're telling, see, when we practice anyways yoga, the mind is more relaxed, our endocrine system, the blood flow, and also the lymphatic system is regulated. Yes, so the toxins are removed out. We stay happy and calm. So this way, one way the immunity always remains high. Second, we learn this Bhastrika Pranayam. Guys, this is supremely powerful. You can do this 20 breaths, 3 rounds. You can do this twice in a day on empty stomach. Okay, you can just take a bath and do a round of Bhastrika, and you'll observe a change in energy. This is 2 things. Third thing I really want to share, because immunity has been a very close thing. There was once upon a time, my mom has spent my entire childhood just taking me to a doctor every 10-15 days. I used to fall very sick. My hemoglobin was like 10 or something, 8 or 10 all the time. And it was a very bad time. I had asthma, I had metal allergies, and every 4 hours I used to feel very, very tired. And my mom obviously was worried. 10 years back, when I learned the Sudarshan Kriya and I practiced it sincerely, in a matter of 8 months to 1 year, without any medicines, my asthma went away. My allergies went off. Wearing even this or this was like difficult for me. I used to get rashes and everything. And now I work, I go out, teach yoga, travel 12 hours, 14 hours I'm teaching. And touch wood, I've not seen a doctor since last 8 years, at least for, cold, cough and fever. It may come once or twice in a year for 2 days, and I'm still working on those days and it's gone. So my immunity has drastically changed. The mental strength has really increased. So definitely try out these yoga techniques and the Sudarshan Kriya. The immunity will be supremely high.
I just want to add, like if you play archery, you pull the bow back, right? So the more arrow you pull it back, the more faster it goes ahead, right? Similarly, if you have to, combat some things outside, you need to go inwards. I just finished a course, an art of living course today for all COVID warriors, doctors across India, and there were a few COVID positive patients also on the program. And they shared that in just 3-4 days, they are feeling so much more better, and like they feel that it's already healed. They're completely out of it. So what I'm trying to say is, take your time to go inwards. This is a great day to start your journey. Do whatever you would want to do, but please practice going inwards, doing some meditation, doing some breathing exercises every day. Do not neglect this, is what I would like to say. Any other questions?
Thanks.
Shida, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I think there is one question in the chat box. Quite common question, I think, for most of us.
Right. So we'll just do one. Okay, I'm not able to see a question.
Okay, so somebody is asking, like, if you can let us know any yoga posture or any yoga asana which can help to reduce belly fat.
Yeah.
So, see, there's nothing like one thing that I can give. It's frankly, it's not like a pill where you pop in and like, oh, I got a 6-pack abs. Okay, you need a little bit of efforts. There is a pranayam that will help you, a little bit of food, and a series of stretches. Some around 7-8 of them. When you do a combination of that, plus an overall also, not just only for tummy. Okay. And overall, around half an hour practice if you can do, it'll be really good. I think we have very less time. We may have a specific tummy reduction. I take these sessions sometimes, an hour of only those stretches and pranayam that focus on this part. So maybe Deepika, we can have that, because this is a very big question. The answer is really big.
One thing I can just tell you is, do not drink water with food. Yeah? That will reduce bloating drastically. If you are feeling of bloat, एक होता है कि fat reduction और दूसरा होता है एक feeling कि मैं bloated लग रहा हूँ. So that feeling to combat, if you don't have water with food, have water 15 minutes prior, 15 minutes or half an hour later. That will really help. Is there anything else? So what we'll do is we just do a small little pose. Everybody, I would want everyone to switch on their cameras. This is a fantastic initiative taken by Deepika, Ruchita, everybody at the team for all of you. Yeah. So one thing for our memory. Yeah. So I would request everybody to switch on your cameras. We'll just pose together and we can take a nice picture also. Is that okay? We'll do two things quickly. Yeah. So let's just stand up. पहला खड़े होकर करते हैं और दूसरा हम बैठ के करें. So everybody switch on your cameras.
So सब लोग हो जाएंगे. Sorry. And we're gonna do Vrikshasan, Venkat Raja LED. Come on, all of you guys sitting there, that cute girl in pink and green, black. Come on. Yes, we have small, cute yogis with us. Okay. So everybody, we're gonna do the very famous Vrikshasan. Okay. How do we do this? We take our right leg, keep it on the inner parts of the thighs. Knees are in line with the body. And then we do a namaste in the front of the chest. Turn your cameras on, guys. These photos will go nice on social media of the company. Nice, happy tree. You know, the tree is so useful in the entire life. The same way we need to be useful to our society, to the family, to the company, everybody around. Be a responsible citizen. And for the sake, we also need to go on the other side. Can you drop it? Other side, because we need to have balance. अच्छा, अगर किसको ये difficult है, तो आप ये हल्का सा नीचे भी लेके रख सकते हैं. कोई बात. And so namaste and smiling trees. And okay, I want one more thing. This is my favorite thing. I want you all come a little closer to the camera. Camera के थोड़े से नजदीक आ जाए. Come closer to the camera. Okay, now what we're going to do is, you know what's always missing from an adult's life? What kids have is excitement and wonder, okay? So the way kids are always so excited and wonder about things, they're also going to be something like that. So what we're going to do is close our eyes tight, make a fist, hold it here in front of our face. And when I say 3, you're going to open it wide, open the fingers, and you're going to go like, surprise. This is called as Chakit Mudra in yoga, okay? See what happens, observe what happens. Everybody together. We'll do this together, okay? Everybody will do it. Close your eyes. 1, 2, and 3. 3. Open your eyes. Surprise. Oh my God. Oh. One more time. Close your eyes. 1, 2. Tight, tight. 1, 2, and 3. Statue. You know, some energy rises down the spine to the head. Go to do this one last time. 100%. Come on, guys. 1, 2. Close your eyes tight. Tight, tight, tight. 1, 2, and 3. Show the person on the left. Show the person on the right. Don't scare them away. And relax. Okay. I hope you all guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much, Yeshti.
Thanks, over to you.
Yes, Deepika, Gunjan, thank you so much for having us over. Hope you guys had a nice time and you also got to learn some things. That's going to really help you.
Thanks a lot, Deepti and Saurabh. So I'm taking it over on behalf of Deepika because I think too many kids have come in our room. So thanks a lot for taking this session and taking out time from your busy schedule. I know that yoga day would have been a full packed day for you. And we also thank Gunjan for helping us connect with you. Thanks a lot. And Kalpana, any closing comments you'd like to share?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Ruchita. Thanks, Deepika. I know what kind of an effort goes behind arranging such kind of a platform and such kind of a truly meaningful session. Thanks, Saurabh and Dipti. You can see my mother beside me. She's practicing yoga since last 10 years. And she's really fond of yoga. And she was again and again telling me that this is quite relaxing. So, compliment for you, Dipti and Saurabh, for such a mindful yoga session. And I hope the entire Lindstrom family, whosoever has joined this session, can truly feel the same way. So, as Ruchira mentioned, today is International Yoga Day. So, you guys were extremely busy. I can understand that how it was a little difficult for us to get this kind of a schedule from both of you. But finally, we were able to get this schedule from both of you, and I think it was worth trying it. And Gunjan, thanks a lot for all your support in connecting, helping us in connecting with Saurabh and Dipti. And I hope each one of us will try yoga. I myself is a firm believer of yoga. So I would encourage each one of you to please try Sudarshan Kriya, which Dipti and Saurabh were emphasizing upon, and Gunjan also practices it, which I know. So I'll also try, Dipti and Saurabh. Let me try and let me share my experience also with you. So on behalf of Lindstrom family, Dipti and Saurabh, once again, thanks in tons for such an enlightening session for all of us. So thank you once again from all of us. So we can see smile on my mother's face. Thanks, Lucia. Thanks, Dipti.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your kids also. Thanks.
Thank you, Saurav.
You're also so enthusiastic.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Yes, Lux, sir, bye. Thank you.